Tonight, in a 44 News exclusive, constitutional rights put on pause by COVID-19. The health department walking back the green light for a gun show set to open in Evansville this afternoon. 44 News' Valerie Lyons was the only reporter there when that decision was reversed again. She joins us now to sort out the complicated back and forth.
I spoke with several vendors here at the National Guard Armory who say they worked with the health department all morning to set the venue up to standard, but just moments before the doors were set to open, they were told the show couldn't go on. 40 vendors and more than 120 tables, all ready to go for the 3-day Evansville Gun, Knife, and Outdoorsman show at the National Guard Armory. But as organizers were setting up, they say the health department made some requests.
They came in, they had us do all the safety precautions. We put the arrows on the floor. I put out the hand sanitizers, the signs, went outside and did those X's and all that good stuff.
With measures in place, they were good to go.
First, they told us that we had a green light to go at 125 people in the building at a time.
But 20 minutes before the show was supposed to start, they say the health department wouldn't let them open, and that if they did, they would face a $15,000 fine.
I understand that that here in Evansville that there's been some cases and a little bit of an outbreak, and I understand the limit on the people. But as far as shutting us down and not allowing us to open at all.
Currently in Evansville, there are restrictions on gatherings of more than 125 people, and organizers must submit a plan to the county health department 10 days prior to the event. Several organizers say they did just that, and when the health department gave a reason for the shutdown, they say it's because the event made the department, quote, uncomfortable.
These people come for miles and miles away. They got hotel rooms for 2 nights. So the place is making money off us, and they always have for 19 years. Now they do something like this and shut this down. It doesn't make sense.
Vendors say they spent hours in limbo, pleading with the health department, hoping their time and travels would not go to waste.
Everybody's already spent their time. They've already set up. Everybody's already invested in this. And for them to not even get a chance to do anything, that's not right.
And organizers did eventually get that green light after negotiations with city and county leaders. I did reach out to the health department earlier in the day to try and find out the exact reason for the shutdown in the first place, but have yet to get a response. In Evansville, Valerie Lyons, 44 News.
Thank you, Valerie.